Alright guys, my name is Chris Aqua, and in this video tutorial I will be taking you steps to steps how you can trade your cryptocurrency using the Binance platform. So if you are in for this, stay with me to the end of this video. I'll be doing a live buy and a live sell trade using this peer-to-peer. A big shout out to Abdul Karim, a big shout out to Austin Obaji, and a big shout out to Gift Levi Auto. On my channel I give shout outs to my new subscribers, so if you want to get a shout out from me in my next video, click on the subscribe button. So I'll get straight into the video now. So all you need is a Binance account. So if you don't have a Binance account, I'll drop a link in the description below. Sign up and verify. Once you sign up and verify, then you can get started. So all you need to do now is to click on your wallet. I'm using the Binance app. You can use your browser or you can use anything. So I'm using the Binance app and I'm clicking on wallets. Wallet is just down here at the top, at the bottom right corner, so that's wallets. So I click on wallets. There are lots of wallets here. You can see sports, margin, future, peer-to-peer, earn and pull. So what we are really interested in is not the sports. What we are really interested in is the peer-to-peer wallets here. So once I do that, I click on peer-to-peer and you can see a list of coins that I can exchange. There are a list of coins that you can trade on this peer-to-peer platform. So if you want to get coins from an external wallet, all you need to do is click on sports. Once you click on sports, you click on deposits. Once you click on deposits, you click on whatever crypto you want to use. In my case, let's say BTC. I click on BTC. So you see the address, you just copy the address and transfer money into the coins into it. So once you transfer the coin into it, it will reflect in your sports wallet. So once it reflects in your spot wallet, what you need to do is just to transfer it to your peer-to-peer. So you click on transfer. You click on transfer. Once you click on transfer, it will take you to this. So you can input the amount of BTC that you want to sell. You can put in, if you want to sell your BTC, you just need to click on maximum, this max here. So once you click on it, it will max it. And as for me, I don't have any BTC available in my spot wallet. I already transferred everything to my peer-to-peer wallet. So once you do that, you click on transfer and it will go to the peer-to-peer wallet here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be selling my BTC right now. I'm going into the sell trade. So I click on BTC and I click on peer-to-peer trading, P2P. So as you can see, we have buy and we have sell up there. So what I'm going to do now is to click on sell because I am selling. So if you are selling, they will have to pay you. So you need to set your payment method. So once you do that, you click on payment method. Once you click on payment method here, you input your bank details. You can choose bank transfer, then you input your bank details and you are good to go. Once you do that, you can now come back here. You can see a list of traders that are willing to sell. So, and this is for USDT. So if you want to sell BTC, you click on BTC or whichever coin you want to sell. So in my case, I'm clicking on BTC. Remember, it is a sell trade. I click on sell, then I click on BTC. So now you can see these are the lists, or this is the list of people that want to buy your coin. So what I need to do is filter my search. So I click on filter here. So I'm planning on selling about 100,000 naira BTC, and my mode of payment is bank transfer. So you can use Nigerian fiat, rupees, or the like. So my own mode of payment is bank transfer. So and I enter the price 100,000 naira. So once I do that, I click on yes, and it brings me a list of people that are willing to buy. So you can see this guy here, his buy limit is between 60,000 naira and 600,000. You can see he has carried out about 663 trades, and he has a trust rating of 64.68%. This is another guy here. His name is Kingsley, 50k to 1 million, and he has 464 trades, and he has a percentage of 92.25. So right now we'll just be going with Kingsley. This is his mode of payment here, bank transfer. You can see right here, this means bank transfer. So I'll just go straight. I would be trading my coin with this guy called Kingsley. So I click on him and I enter the quantity of BTC I want to sell. So you can do by cash or by BTC. So you input the amount of cash, input the amount of BTC. But me, as you can see, also this is my payment method that I've already set. So this is what I do. So once I click on all, I want to sell all my BTC, and that's about 232,000 naira 85 kobo. So what I need to do, you can see this is buyer's name Kingsley and payment window is 30 minutes. So I click on sell BTC. So once I do that, it loads. So while it loads, you see verifying payments. When verifying payments, please log into your payment account and verify that the money is received. So right up here you would see details. If you want to call Kingsley, you can call Kingsley by clicking on that button, and if you want to message Kingsley, you can message him by clicking on that button. Know that it's not necessarily Kingsley, but this person I'm dealing with is going by the name Kingsley. So I'll just go to message, and if I want to drop any message, I drop it for him. The windows of payments is 30 minutes and it is currently on. And as you can see, there's this countdown. Kingsley has 15 minutes to pay me my money. Kingsley has 15 minutes before I can arrange for a dispute. But as you can see, his expected payment time is 30 minutes, so I'll just have to wait till the 30 minutes elapse before I can lodge any complaint or anything. So all we need to do is just wait, and I would confirm if the money has entered my bank account. Once the money has entered my bank account, then I will release the Bitcoin to Kingsley. So here in the message, you can read it here. It said Kingsley has marked the order as paid. So now I need to confirm if the payment has really entered. So I'll have to go and confirm if the payment has really entered. Once it's done, then I click on I release the Bitcoin to his account. So in the message section, I've received the money from Kingsley. So what I need to do now is just to click on confirm receipt just down here. So once I click on confirm receipt, I tick the box, then I confirm. So once I confirm, I'll need to, this is my own personal security. Once I do that, I click on submit. So I've successfully sold my BTC, and that is how you sell your BTC. So you can rate the seller, can decide not to rate, and that is how you sell your BTC. So right now I'll be, if I go back to my peer-to-peer wallet, as you can see, I only have Ethereum left. Under my BTC I have 0.00. So I'll be initiating a buy order now using the peer-to-peer. So what I'll be doing is, since I used sell for BTC, I'll be buying Ethereum, or let me say I'll be buying Ethereum. So let me click on Ethereum, click on peer-to-peer trading. So I click on buy. So once I click on buy, I click on ETH instead of this USDT. I click on ETH. So I click on ETH. You see a list of sellers like I did, and you need to take note of this. This is bank transfer, so I can easily transfer to this person. So you can see the volume they sell, and let me just buy 5,000 naira worth. So like I said the other time, all I need to do is to click on need to do is to click on the filter so I can input my amount there. So I click on the filter and I input my amount. Let me say 5,000 naira. Let me say 5,000 naira. Then I click on bank transfer as my mode of payment. Then I click yes. So here I'll see a list of those that wants to sell their ETH for me to buy. So you see this person here, his name is Coxy Enterprise. He has carried out 286 trades. So I click on him or her. So I enter amount I'm buying by cash. Enter amount 5,000 naira and I click on buy ETH. So as you can see, it takes me to this. The time for me to pay is 15 minutes. So I click on transfer the funds. So I'll be transferring the funds to this particular person, Zenith Bank. So I copy it and I go to transfer the funds to the person. So I've transferred the money to this particular person. So what I need to do is click on transferred and click on next just here. So I click on that, and so they tell me after the seller confirms the receipts, system will automatically transfer the crypto to my account. So all I need to do is wait. So if after that time the seller does not confirm the receipts, I can just easily appeal here. I can easily appeal. So once I appeal, the Binance exchange will come and mediate, or what they call it. They come and check who is lying between both of us, and whoever is found guilty will be banned from this platform. So all I need to do now is wait till it is confirmed. So what I need to let you know is that whenever you're making a transfer, whenever you're buying a coin and you're making a transfer, ensure that you don't put any word such as cryptocurrency or Bitcoin in the description. Ensure that you don't do that. And also, whenever you are buying coins, ensure that the name you are the person you are transferring to, okay, the person has released the coin. So what I was saying is, whenever you are buying coins, ensure that the name on the platform correspond with the name of the bank, so that you do not put yourself in trouble. You know, all these middlemen stuff, you don't put yourself in trouble. It might be a stolen coin or a hacked coin, so you don't get your account freezed or frozen. So yeah, this person already made the transaction, and I click on done. The order has been completed. So I go back to my wallet, and as you can see, I have $61. Before I had $51. Now I have $61. I have 0.038 Ethereum. So guys, that is the end of the video. I'm very sure this must have served value to you. If it has, please ensure that you share it with your friends. Click on the like button, and also click on the subscribe button. If you have any questions for me, or you want me to make a YouTube video about anything, just drop comments in this drop your comments in the comment section below. So guys, till next time, have a great day ahead.